Yes and no. The source of knowledge comes from history. It comes from human experience, right? And or the algorithms humans create that then create knowledge, right? Our access to knowledge may actually be coming from AI supported platforms like ChatGPT or Claude or others. So that's our access point. You have to think of these programs as data reduction. They're reducing a lot of data and making it more palatable, but the data comes from somewhere. And that somewhere is still humanity. So for a large degree, it's human-oriented information. So we're getting our information from humanity. It's just that we have a very powerful research assistants that help us, aggregate and understand knowledge better. The underlying technology is called NLG, natural language generation. And it uses a kind of a multi-method dynamic generative approach. Multi-method meaning some sections are using graph theory, some are using econometrics, some are using geospatial kriging models. There's not one unique model that runs Botopedia. It's a collection of models, and those models change from time to time, so it's somewhat dynamic. So that's the underlying methodology of Botopedia. It's not using large language model approaches, so we wanted to minimize hallucination and make sure that what we're reporting actually has provenance. You know where the data is coming from. The Botopedia methodology, in fact, can be applied to enterprises, and we've done this with a few of our labs, clients, so to speak, where data is so dispersed, but you need it in one place where you can access all of it without hallucination, without any leakages to the outside world. So the Botopedia platform can also itself be a content generator. And so we're working on news deserts, academic research, and other avenues to leverage that content into new formats. The biggest knowledge gaps in Singapore is largely qualitative, not quantitative. Some of the world's top scientists are already here. They already know everything about algorithms. There's no knowledge gap there. I think the knowledge gap is people fundamentally knowing the basics of AI itself. What is it? The general literacy is quite low within companies, across companies. For example, there are 4 branches of AI, not one. There's robotics, there's cognitive symbolic computing or rule-based AI, there's deep learning computational AI, and then there's machine learning control like autopilots in an airplane. 4 distinct branches. And yet many people think AI is GPT or ChatGPT, when in fact it's much broader than that. And so the general literacy is low in Singapore. So Botopedia is a platform anyone can go to and type in anything they want, and it'll tell you what is the knowledge of the world today on that subject. And it makes people kind of think maybe there's not just LLMs that are content creators, right? There's more than one methodology. The default will be highly interactive, but I also believe that Singaporeans will actually be generating their own content with these platforms, not just be the recipients of content from the platforms. They'll be platform generators. That's what I see in the next 5 to 10 years. You can generate your own chatbot. You can generate your own platform. So right now we're users of platforms, not generators of platforms. So in the next 5 to 10 years, people will be empowered to launch and create their own generators, so to speak, and their own content engines.